Guys, don't be like me. I'm out here in the mud. I've literally got a doctor's appointment. I'm so sorry for all you doctors and nurses and everything that have to see people come in covered in mud from fishing. I'm going straight there, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sure you've seen worse. Holy cow, this is like Vulture Bay over here. Whatever, wow. Look at all these vultures. Holy cow, I don't think I've ever seen this before. Wow. These birds are coming for me. This is nuts. I don't think I've never seen this. Get out of here, you crazy birds. We're catching these fish. Wow. Super duper low tide right now out here. I'm off Shore Drive. We're gonna try to fish this little flat area right here and see if we can catch a flounder. Definitely gorgeous out here. Nice. All right. See, when it's really low like this, I might even walk out here. Walk along there too. Cover all this ground. I'm gonna start with a 1/4 ounce jig head from the Fight Club lures here. I'm gonna use this Dirty Boxer curly tail, the hammer fist. We're gonna start with this white color, and we might move on from there. We'll see. Going the knuckles on the bottom this time. Oh! This is so much fun. Here we go. Here we go. Hey, all right, that's a nice flatty. Yeah, we picked you up. That is a nice keeper size flounder right there. Perspective on that. Woo! Gotta get my pliers. I'm getting stuck in the mud. Ugh. I am not keeping fish today, so today is your lucky day. But you're not keeping my jig head. That is not happening. We'll let it go today. We'll let you go today, buddy. Enjoy. Have a good one. How low this tide is over here. I've never seen it this low. So this is a good thing. I mean, I've never been able to come down here to fish this side of the dock, which is incredible. I can fish this entire ledge all the way down and know exactly where the oysters are. It's perfect. Oh. Take it. Take it. Here we go. Oh. That was a red. He saw my bait. He chased it for a second and then gave up on it. Might be time to switch to a paddle tail. Oh, he spit it. I just had him hooked. All right, he had the lure in his mouth. Oh man, take it. All right, let's try a paddle tail. So we're gonna go with the counter punch, the butt kicker. Counter punch is the chartreuse color. Pick it right up, boom. Perfect. It's got a lot of scent on it. Hopefully something picks it up real fast. I was getting hits on this, but they were short strikes. Short strikes meaning they're not taking the whole bait, they're just taking the tail. We don't want that. We want them to eat the whole thing. So it could be like pinfish. That tells you, you know, it could be small bait fish trying to hit it, pinfish, or just smaller target species like trout or redfish. That's it. Yeah. Fish bites. Curly tail. Well, that wraps that up. I had 10 more minutes to kill. Thought I'd throw out another paddle tail and the chartreuse one. And I got cut off by an oyster. Go figure with mono. Mono just looks at oysters and it shreds. But I do have to leave anyway. So it was perfect timing. Literally my last cast, I lost my lure. Well, anyway, this is fun. I like this area. Here's a cool another view of this. And you can walk to all of this. You just got to get out here at low tide. You can coast the whole thing. You can walk it just as long as you have an awesome, crazy, abnormal low tide like this. I've never seen it this low. This is perfect for land-based fishermen. Guys, make sure to watch your moon phases. When the moon's bigger, tides are further out. Sometimes the tidal coefficient, you get extreme low and then extreme high. It's pretty crazy. Just watch those tidal coefficients and see what the low's looking like. And then for all you land-based walkers like me sometimes, well, might be in luck during low tide. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Keep it reeling. See you next time. Cheers. Holy cow, I don't think I've ever seen this before. These birds are coming for me. This is nuts.
Sail away with me, sail away.